Specifically, I want to talk a little bit about icons and IMDF files. As we know, Places is implemented maps via IMDF. IMDF potentially is a feature-rich data format that, based on categories of objects that you put in it, could give you a rich display on the map, but it's really up to the software that is reading the IMDF and then drawing that map, because it's not a graphical format. It's not like a PDF, an SVG, where you can do what you like. You can put whatever colors you want, line styles, labels, icons, etc. So it is data. You tell the system, through polygons and coordinates, what shapes to draw, and it's up to the software that reads that to then draw it. So here's an example of a simple map in Places read from an IMDF. This is kind of put together to illustrate something, and that is to do with icons and how you can represent features. So Places has got a very simplistic way of representing maps at the moment. You've got no control over kind of line styles, line thicknesses, or color, or anything like that. Everything is predetermined and fairly basic here. And IMDF has, for any object, has a category field, and this is not documented, but Places has a few icons, and we put them on this map here, so you can see that the restroom category will show you a gents and ladies toilet icon. We've got stairs icon, which is also the same as an escalator icon, and we've got an elevator icon. Those are the ones we found. There are a whole load of other IMDF categories that would be really useful to have on a map, such as things like emergency exit, first aid kit, kitchen, seating, any useful things to navigate within an office or to find things in an office would be really useful. So the other thing we've done is given an example on how you can do other kind of things. So this is a little coffee icon that we've put in here, just using polygons effectively. It's a workaround really, to be able to kind of create your own icons, and we've added some extra seating here, which is non-bookable.
Am I right in saying there's no real way of zooming in and out of this map?
You can zoom in, but you can, like this, and you can see our polygons will get
you see polygons are increasing, but your actual
icons themselves don't change size.
No, and you could argue, I could argue, anyone could argue that some of them aren't the clearest. I wouldn't have had a clue that was an elevator.
No, it's a bit small, isn't it?
Yeah. It's in the stairs. I suppose I might have worked that out. The toilet one's a bit more obvious, but it's you are locked in, aren't you, a bit? So I guess the trade-off is, is there a benefit to having the icons that are built into the IMDF over the polygons, apart from maybe time saving?
Well, it's less work, less to maintain, because you're generating an IMDF, depends on how you're doing it, can be time consuming. To create these multiple polygons, it makes the business of making maps more complicated to do your own polygons. And really, because the implementation of icons at the moment is so limited and it's undocumented, there's nothing Microsoft to put out to say, here's the icons that are available and this is what categories to use to get them. That doesn't exist. We had to kind of search through a whole load of useful categories to find these ones.